our works, people think like it's a rendering. If we find a way to build something as perfect that people start to discuss and people recognize, okay, it's not a rendering, they might go there to see it in real life. Hello, I'm Tomislav of the artist duo Quintessenz, and my partner Thomas can't be here today, so I'm representing Quintessenz by myself. Quintessenz artist duo started actually like almost 11 years ago in 2008. We started because we met in university and there was a need for us to do something besides the university stuff we had to do anyway. So we started with other friends. The installation Kagatika's Secret is built in that little village on the island of Paxos-Kagatika, and it's built in an about 400 years old farmer's house. So you can see there about 120 different color shades. It's separated in 3 pieces, so you still have that angle of the ocean. Yeah, the wind blows pretty nice through the windows and not even too strong, so it gives a sense of like a very high contrast between the architecture and that soft fabric material. Bringing that new material into that old brick house made it even more look digital and alien-like in that surrounding that is not from this time. You know, this is it is really the bridge between digital and analog, but in the end you have to see it to understand and to feel it. The benefit of this material we are working with is the effect it comes with. It's a mesh material, and if you hang that mesh material in layers behind each other, your eye can't focus the front and the back anymore. This simple material comes to life when it has its color, when the wind goes through, when the light goes through. It's appearing always different, really. It's like, especially when it's outside, when the wind and the light goes through that material, you have like a magical moment, and if the light changes, the wind changes, it makes it very special. A lot of people ask, okay, how do you choose the colors? And it's really about the environment and also the shape, and trying to find the balance between contrast and having the perfect volume of body that not belongs there, but when you see it, you have the feeling there couldn't be another place for this installation. There is no favorite color. There is no favorite color. This is always changing. It changes by the environment, by the weather, by everything, by emotional influences. What I know is what color I don't like is the baby blue. I don't like baby blue, or like even like going a little bit darker. But but there are combinations where it works very good. You know, this is the thing. Like I can hate one color, but if I place it in a range with other colors, it can totally make sense. And then you have like Thomas, you say, no, let's put that in there. It's like, oh shit, okay, I have to build something around it, so it kind of is that it works for me again. In the end, it's important for Thomas and me that we can live the life we want to live, defined by playing around, by still being able to be a kid, to experiment with new materials, with colors and discovering the world and its beautiful places we might would never seen